Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are met. Confirm your username and password with IT and make sure you have the correct portal address. Once done, install the GlobalProtect client that it specifies. This avoids version mismatches. Make sure your internet connection is stable and have your MFA device or app available for authentication. Now open the client, enter the portal address exactly, and proceed to the sign-in prompt. This initiates the secure session handshake. You will authenticate next. Enter your credentials and respond to the MFA challenge when prompted, because delayed responses can time out the handshake. If the client shows multiple connection profiles, select the one your organization directed. This routes traffic correctly. After submitting, watch the client progress bar and wait for the connected status. Make note of the assigned IP address, since that verifies route assignment. Once connected, verify access to internal resources to confirm tunnel establishment. You finish by verifying access. Open an internal site, ping the gateway, and confirm routes and DNS resolution. If something fails, restart the GlobalProtect client first, then re-enter the portal address and credentials. Sometimes a DNS flush or reboot clears stale state. If problems persist, collect screenshots, error text, and the client logs and contact IT. This speeds diagnosis. Finally, make sure to disconnect when done for security, and reconnect using the same steps next time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.